Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of Kentucky. Now guys, one of the things that we're going to look at and obviously focus on is the legal requirements that you need to have to form a limited liability company in the state of Kentucky. We're going to look at how you can actually form it through the state website. Then we're going to go ahead and check out a platform which can help you A to Z and give you the complete breakdown and support you in setting up a limited liability company in Kentucky. Then the third methodology is going to be focusing on speaking to an attorney and getting a help directly from a human being. One of the things that you have to keep in mind, there's multiple methodologies that are available and you can select the one they're most comfortable with, and that is the reason why we make all these amazing videos for you guys, to give you the complete insight and breakdown of how you can go about forming a limited liability company in the state of Kentucky. Now if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with all the new and up-to-date information about how you can form different business structures in the different states in the United States. Now, if you head over to the official website of the state of Kentucky, which is ky.gov, you can clearly see the legal ramifications and requirements that you need to have to start up your business in the state of Kentucky. You can easily start your business, file an annual report, reinstate your business if you already have one, and become a notary or even register to vote. Now, the thing that I love about the state of Kentucky is the fact that it has made everything very simple and straightforward. They've structured it in such a way that you can easily find the information that you want. Just go ahead and click on start your business and you will be taken to the next page. On this page, you can clearly mention where you want to locate your actual business. So we're going to say we're going to do it in Kentucky. Now the thing over here is the fact that this is a step-by-step methodology. What kind of business entity do you want? We want a limited liability company. Now you can clearly see the way it's been structured is quite good, and they've done it in a very reasonable manner that can help you fill in the name as you want it. So you have to put your limited liability company name, the entity's email, and you have to select a business and management type, and obviously give the principal's office, the signature of the organizer, the registered agent office. Now one of the things that you would notice is that there's a lot of information that you need to have before you start filling this in, and sometimes that becomes quite overwhelming for individuals that do not have the knowledge and background of setting up a limited liability company. And remember, this is a very difficult thing that you need to do to ensure that you do not leave any of the legal requirements unfulfilled, so you might face trouble in the future. And that is the reason why we're going to introduce you to this platform, inkfile.com, the fast, free, awarding winning company formation where you can join over 1 million business owners that have used Inkfile to set up their limited liability companies. Starting a new business, guys, can be stressful and very expensive, and there is a lot to do to file a limited liability company, and varying state requirements and numerous steps and a lot of important documentation that leave plenty of room for error, mistakes that can truly be very costly. And that is the reason Inkfile understands what it needs to do and gives you a chance to set up a business formation with no hidden fees. You'll have to pay a state fee to file your business, but Inkfile doesn't charge any processing fees on top of it, and formation through Inkfile is free, and you can choose to add additional services with the premium packages. Guys, there's no hidden cost. It's 100% free formation. It has the fastest filing speeds, a free registered agent, and free compliance reminder. And the best thing is that all the tools that you need to grow and manage your business are available. Inkfile has a comprehensive set of services that has got you covered, from getting your EIN and business licenses to submitting your annual report. Just choose the service to suit your situation as and when you need them. It is that simple and straightforward, and all your business essentials are all going to be in one place to get the reminders and compliance alerts so you can grow your business with the additional service that you need. All you need to do is click on get started and you'll be taken to the next page. Now obviously on this page there's two elements that you need to fill out: the entity type and the state of formation. So once you click on the entity type, you'll clearly see that there's different formations that are available, such as the LLC, the S corporation, the C corporation, and the nonprofit. We're going to go with the limited liability company, which is the LLC. Then we're going to select the state that we want it in. All the 50 states of the United States are available, so we're going to scroll down and find Kentucky. Now once we select Kentucky, we're going to be given a choice from 3 different packages: the silver, the gold, and the platinum. Now you can clearly see the actual silver one is for $40. If you head back to the Kentucky official website, you'll see the fee is $40 as well. So this is the same fee that that they're charging. Now, what is the state fee that you might want to know? And the state fee is same for all the packages. The state fee is what your selected state charges to file a new business entity, and this amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State. InkFile does not keep any part of this fee, and the package price covers the cost to create, prepare, and file all the legal documents on your behalf to properly form your new business entity. It also includes the cost for additional services and products in your chosen package. Now, the silver one is $40, and you get the preparation of filing of article of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, unlimited phone and email support. For the gold, you get a comprehensive features to get your business started for $239. The package fee is $199, and the state fee is $40. You get preparation and filing of article of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year, EIN business tax number, IRS form 2553, operating agreement, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support, and business banking account, as well as business tax consultation. If you go for the platinum one, which is a full feature service at the best value for $339, you get a package fee of $299 and a state fee of $40. You get business contract templates, free next day filing, domain name, and a business email, and everything that's available in the gold and in the silver. Now, my recommendation is for you guys to go for the platinum, especially if you're individuals that have not set up a limited liability company in the past, because there is a lot of legal requirements that need to be filled on, and you can concentrate on your sales, you can concentrate on your operating strategies, and you can concentrate on your marketing, and you can let InkFile take care of all the legal requirements that you would need to ensure to set up a limited liability company in a proper manner. If you want to speak to someone, guys, you can always head over to this platform, which is called LegalZoom.com, and get the legal help that you need to form your business. You will have attorneys with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million businesses and done 650,000 consultation, and they will refund their fee within the first 60 days if you're unhappy with their service, so you can have the peace of mind knowing that your documentation have been legally recognized in every state, and you'll never need to leave home to work with a lawyer. There's no hourly charges and no surprises at all, and whether you need to form a company, apply for licenses and permits, or to get a tax ID, they'll set your business up for success. Just click on LLC and you'll be taken to the next page to know exactly how to start an LLC in the state of Kentucky. Now, a limited liability company offers liable protection and tax advantages among other benefits for small businesses, guys, and the LLC formation in Kentucky is quite easy. All you need to do is follow these 6 steps. The first thing that you need to do is name your Kentucky LLC. You'll need to choose a name to include in your articles before you can register your limited liability company. Your business name must include the words limited liability company. Your name must be different from an existing business in the state, and the business name cannot contain words used by a government agency, and certain restriction words may require additional documentation and licenses paperwork. You need a URL availability, and you need to reserve your name. After that, you need to choose your registered agent, because Kentucky requires you to appoint a registered agent for LLC. A registered agent is a person or entity authorized to receive service of process and other official legal documents and notices on behalf of your LLC. A registered agent can be a person or an entity that offers a registered agent service. They must meet the following requirement, guys. The entities must provide registered agent services. The agent must have an address in the state of Kentucky, and the agent must be on site and available to accept documents during regular business hours. Then you have to prepare and file the article of organization, and obviously this includes your LLC name, street address, the address of your registered agent and their name, the mailing address, and the duration or time period over the LLC will exist. You have checked boxes showing general nature of the business and the LLC size. You got to have a management structure, the effective date of the article of organization, and the person forming the LLC is required to sign the articles. Once you file your articles, the Secretary of State will review the filing, and if the articles are approved, the LLC becomes a legal business entity. Then you receive a certificate from the state, and the state is going to let you get your EIN number and the business licenses and a bank account after only it has been legally approved. Then you create an operating agreement. This is a document that outlines the way your LLC will conduct businesses, and a general operating agreement includes the LLC's name, principal municipal address, the duration, the name and address of the registered agent, the purpose of business and information about the article of organizations, the members and their contributions, the way the profit and losses are going to be divided, and obviously procedures for admitting new members as well as outgoing members, and the management of the LLC, and obviously the indemnification and the liability causes. The last thing is to get an employer identification number. This is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS to identify your LLC for taxes. You can obtain your EIN by mail or online through the IRS. The purpose of the employer identification number is to give you the assistance from filing and managing taxes at a state and federal level, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. Now guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, if you need any support, any assistance, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.